In this video, I'm going to show you how to download VLC media players safely on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is the best free video player that can play almost any format, including MP4, MKV, AVI, and even DVDs. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you're using. Now, this part is very important. Only download VLC from the official website. A lot of third-party sites include viruses or unwanted programs, so stay safe. In the address bar, type videolan.org and press Enter. This will take you to the official VLC website. You'll see a big orange button that says Download VLC. Go ahead and click it. Your download should start automatically. If a window pops up asking where to save the file, choose your desktop or downloads folder and click Save. The file will usually be called something like vlc-setup.exe. Once the download finishes, open the file. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. The installer will open, and all you need to do is follow the steps. Click Next, agree to the license, keep the default settings, and click Install. The installation will take a few seconds. When it's done, click Finish, and VLC will open automatically. Now you can play almost any video format without installing extra codecs. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed VLC Media Player on Windows 11 or Windows 10 safely and for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.